Hey, how's it going, do-it-yourselfers? Today we're gonna go over why you can't always trust the mechanics. And later we'll talk about where the hell I've been. So yeah, working on my nephew's 2013 Ford Fusion SE, and the complaint is that the AC doesn't work and blows warm air. So yeah, he took it to the local mechanic shop close to where he was, and it was diagnosed as having a bad AC compressor clutch. That was the extent of the diagnosis. They didn't say what was exactly wrong with the AC compressor clutch. And to fix that, it was quoted, I think, $800 plus, and he would have to replace the AC compressor, evacuate and recharge the AC system and all that jazz. So I told him to bring it down here and I'll take a look at it. So taking a look at it, I did, which involved removing the right front wheel, getting the splash shield at least partially out of the way, and the AC compressor lives down here. And there's your problem, lady. The problem with your AC compressor clutch is that half of it is not there anymore. So yeah, doing more research, this seems to be a common problem on these 2013 Ford Fusions. That 10 millimeter bolt comes loose and then you lose the AC compressor clutch. But, there's no reason to believe there's anything wrong with the AC compressor itself. You don't have to replace it in order to just fix the clutch problem. You don't have to evacuate and recharge the system and all that, which would run you up to $800 plus. Now, in their defense, you can't just buy the clutch assembly at AutoZone or Napa or anywhere else. In fact, I had to buy this off of eBay, but still it was at a fraction of the cost of how much it was going to be if I had to replace the compressor, obviously. And it came with the clutch assembly, the coil, new bolt, spacers, all that jazz. Now, I'm not going to get replacing it on camera because it's pretty compact down there, but it's pretty easy. I have other videos that show you exactly how you can do this. I'll put links to them in the description box. I might put them at the end of this video as well. So there, just got our clutch on there, 10 millimeter bolt. You want to torque that down to 124 inch-pounds, or basically 10 foot-pounds. And this feeler gauge, which is 0.432 millimeters, is just about snug, which is well within spec. Oh, and don't forget to put some red Loctite on that bolt. All right, now the moment of truth. I'm gonna get in the car, start the car, turn on the AC. I'll put the camera where you can see the AC compressor clutch, and hopefully you guys can see it engage. All right, so you guys just saw the AC compressor clutch engage, and inside here, we sure do have cold air coming out of these vents. Only if I could find my AC temperature gauge, I will show you guys. So that's why sometimes it pays to get a second opinion, or if you're really into, at least learning about how to fix your own car, watch videos and channels like mine, try to at least get familiar with the different parts, the serviceable parts at least on your car, so you don't get ripped off, or you have an idea when you get quoted a super high price that you can do some research and, maybe get away with saving a lot of money, like in this case. Now for my subscribers, as far as where the hell I've been, well, you guessed it, been busy with the avocado grove. As you can see, these guys are growing quite well, but that's not due to a lack of work. Yeah, weed whacking, pruning, mulching, making sure they get a lot of water, all that good stuff. That's where the hell I've been as far as on the work on the outside. And of course, remodeling the kitchen, the bathroom, all that good stuff inside the house, and lately putting in a 7 or 8 zone mini split system. That's a lot of fun. I think a lot of crawling through the attic and getting really, really tired. So yeah, there's enough material there for another 3 channels, probably one on growing avocados and fruit trees in general, another one on, working inside the house, remodeling, plumbing, electrical work, all that fun stuff, and then another one for probably yard equipment. I got a tractor that I need to get it working. I got saws, weed whackers, all sorts of equipment that need maintenance and work. So yeah, there's a lot of material there, there's just no time. But my hope is I can get things wrapped up, manage my time better. Remodeling is pretty much done. The avocado trees are growing pretty well. They don't need as much maintenance as before, so I'll have hopefully more time where I can focus on this channel and give you guys more useful videos. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and if you want to see more videos like this and support my channel, join me on my Patreon page, or click on my videos that you see on the screen now, or any of my videos in the suggestion box will do as well. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.